Howdy friends, welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee. I started a YouTube channel showing what my life is like as a band instrument repair technician. Welcome to it. Today's video is viewer driven. A question about tightening rings on a clarinet, specifically the barrel and the bell. I got an answer for that. Cool tools. This away. Let's go. This is a common occurrence where we're at. A wooden barrel shrinks and the rings come off. And a lot of times what will happen is cut a piece of sandpaper, take up some space of the joint, the ring back on it like this, right? Okay, and that'll hold for a while maybe until it shrinks some more. There's a really easy, quick way to shrink the rings, and it really needs to be in your arsenal. Here's another one. And see, we can zoom in. Yeah, and see this one just pops right off. It's shrunk even more. So that's no good, okay? So let's talk about how to take care of this properly. This is the set that we're gonna use for shrinking the rings. This is the H35 from Ferree. It consists of an internally tapered die portion and then 4 different size of punch. The way this works is you'll put your ring, drop this down, strike. So the ring fits here. And now you have this exposed. This is going to drop down inside here. And see, this is loose. And so when you strike this, it's going to drive and it's going to shrink. It's going to close that die. It's going to close or shrink your ring. And we're going to start with a couple. Not hard. And we just want to feel where it's at. So that drops on there very, very freely. Let's do it again. And maybe we'll add a little bit more. Pull it and check. Now, as it gets, let's zoom in. As it comes down about half of the way, see? So it fits evenly, very nice, all the way around. Okay. As I push that down, I then want to take the head of my hammer and press it the rest of the way on. And now the ring is a nice fit, no damage, a nice fit, it's nice and tight, you didn't hurt the instrument. Now let's have a look at this example. This one has had a piece cut into, act as a shim before, so we know that it's going to be very, very loose. And that was a pretty thick shim. What I like to do is locate. This is the part that's going to go onto the body. And this flat part goes to the horn. So I want to make sure that I keep it orientated that way. We're going to drop that in. And I start out with some medium light taps. And I usually I go in 3s or 4s. And it's just to give a baseline of what we're going to feel. Okay. And so that is still much too loose. Add a little bit more. See, that's how it looks. The ring just gets closed up right, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, there we go. Press to about halfway. Take the rawhide, and we're going to bring the rawhide in and press it down. There we go. Looks good. So that ring is nice and tight, just like this one. That's using the H35 ring shrinking dies for your clarinets. Great tool to have, only takes a couple of minutes to use. Well, all right, everybody. Thanks for following along. That's how I tighten rings on clarinets. I don't really do anything except hit it with a hammer. It's all those cool tools. I'll make sure I put that down in the link in the description below so you can call Ferree's Tools, get some of these cool tools for yourself. Appreciate the questions. We'll see you soon with some new full-length videos. If I don't see you, Happy New Year. I'll see you on the other side. This is Wes Lee signing out.